Okay, so in this code, I want to talk about the forEach method. ForEach, as you can see over here. Let me make it bigger. ForEach method. So I'm gonna come up with 4 examples, and I'm gonna show you the difference using forEach and using a regular for loop, and how it makes your code much cleaner, and and sometimes it makes better sense actually to use for the forEach method. I'll show you a classical example. Okay, so let's clear this. All right, first thing first. So let's say we have an array of colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. So I have an array of colors. My goal is to print out each element in this array. This array has how many elements? 4. So using a regular for loop, you can say var x equals 0. X is less than the length of this array. Length x plus plus. Man, bring back some old memories of C++. 7 years now since I've been using C++. Let's see. What I want to do is I actually want to print this out. Okay. Let's make it fancy. You know. Item. Colors. X. So let's see. Let's print this node for each. So it prints out. Notice I have, let's cover that up. I have red, blue, green, yellow. Red, blue, green, yellow. So that works. Now let's use the for each method. Let's see how that works. Let's clear this up. Okay, so let's see how that works. The for each method. Now, for each method takes the array that has 4 elements for each. I'm gonna pass each element to the array. Now it's up to you what you want to call the name of each element. I'm passing that, so let's call it color. I'm going to show you something. Now you do not have to call it color. You can call it X, Y, whatever, blah blah blah. It's up to you, but it makes the most sense to say color. Now I'm passing each element. This array has 4 elements. I'm going to pass each one of them to this iterator function. This, when I say iterator function, I mean this. This highlighted portion of the code, that is an iterator function. I'm passing each element of the array to it. What do I want to do with it? I want to print it out. Console.log color. Let's see. Let's comment this out. And let's see a little for each magic. Beautiful. Yellow, well, that's item from the last one. But color, red. It starts from here. Why is it always showing like my last print? Just show the recent one. Red, blue, green, yellow. Red, blue, green, yellow. Beautiful color. Now we can make this a little more cleaner. This is not the best we can do, by the way. I just want to show you this works. Now because this is ES6, we got to do it right. I can remove this. Remove all of this. Make this into one liner. Man, look at this. Wow. Let's see if this works. Clear. Node for each. Man, this is amazing. Look at that. We have red, blue, green, yellow. Perfect. Now, you choose. Which one is better? Which one looks cleaner? The for each method, that is what, 6 lines of code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or the for each method that is 1 line of code, and you can clearly see what you're doing. It's up to you, but I would go with the for each method. Thank you, and I'll show you the next example in the next video. I like to keep each of my videos very small.